You work in America, you earn in dollars, but your life in India continues. Maybe you have an NRE account, an NRO account, a fixed deposit, mutual funds, property, a pension account. Maybe you even hold foreign investment. And then comes the IRS question. Have you reported it? Well, for US tax residents, foreign assets can trigger reporting obligation under FATCA. And one of the biggest areas of confusion is Form 8938 versus FBAR. They are not the same thing. They are filed differently. They cover different categories. And filing one does not automatically replace the another one. According to the reports, FBAR reporting, it can apply when the aggregated value of foreign financial accounts exceeds about $10,000 at any point in the year. Form 8938, it has a different threshold depending on filing status and whether the taxpayer lives in the US or not. And yes, what counts as a foreign asset? Let's talk about that. More than many people realize, bank accounts, fixed deposit, foreign mutual fund, brokerage account, or maybe certain pension in trust, insurance products, and in the end, ownership in foreign entities. So basically, everything that is related to money abroad. So imagine an Indian professional who has been in America for years now, maybe decades, but still has a financial life back home. Every single account, it may be perfectly legitimate. Every rupee may be legally earned. The problem comes if the reporting that is incomplete. Also, the report highlights potentially significant penalties for failing to report certain information. And that is why this is not just a story about hiding money. It is actually the opposite. You can own foreign assets legally. You simply need to understand the reporting rules that come with them. And yes, if you have missed something in previous filing, then what? No, don't panic. Don't simply start filing random amendment forms without any understanding of the issue here. The report also points to official IRS compliance program that may help eligible taxpayers correct certain non-willful reporting failures. Lesson here very simple. Having foreign asset, it is not a crime. Ignoring the reporting obligation, that can become a problem for you.